Hi. Hi fairs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a chilly day here in Nice. I haven't been out in my city in a while, but today I had to come to the town to take care of my goddaughter just for a few seconds, like 1 hour. So Tashika wanted to go to the swimming pool with her son. They have swimming for school and she wanted to go, so I came to keep the baby so that she could go and assist him when he finished swimming pool. So I did that, and now I am heading to go on a date with my husband. So woke up this morning and dropped the kids to school. I was super tired. I had a rough night. I couldn't sleep. Insomnia. I had so much things in my head. Couldn't sleep, and what else? Sarah woke up quite a bit. So I had a rough night, to say the least. But anyway, going through, I woke up this morning and dropped the kids to school and head straight to town and took care of Aloria while Tashika.
Welcome.
The things that people do when I'm talking on the camera. He's trying to speak in English. He says welcome. He's too funny. So I'm going to lunch with Babe right now. I'm telling you guys a million and one things at the same time. So like I said, I woke up, dropped the kids off to school, and now I'm heading to lunch with Babe. We're having a us date today. So Babe is leaving work early, going to lunch, and then we're heading to the movies. We're going to see Avatar. So yay, finally getting to spend some one-on-one time with Babe. Just Babe and I. We always have to sneak in dates when the kids are at school because we always have the kids. So the only way for us to spend time together is when the kids are at school. So we have to do it this way. Anyway, going through town, heading to lunch spot with Babe. So I'll catch you guys while going through town.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Going to see the husband. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and enjoy scrolling through my town with me today. So I am in center town, but I'm on the side of Old Nice. If you guys are watching my channel for the first time, Nice is full of history, and Tashika, my friend, which you guys didn't see in this vlog, but I'm just coming from her house, lives over there in the old city, and I guess the new city, the new town. The new town is on this side over here, which I'm showing you right now, across the tram line. So I'm just walking through, going to meet Babe. These bikes that I'm passing through is very common, and they're throughout the city. So you pay a few bucks and these carry you through the city fast and easy to eliminate pollution and to get through faster. If you're ever in my city, it's one of the most beautiful places to visit in France. Best believe that. I'm not just saying that because I live here, but it really is beautiful, especially during the summertime. I would recommend anybody, if you're visiting France, visit Nice during the summer. Absolutely beautiful. I think Babe and I might have sushi for lunch today. There's a sushi restaurant just down here. I just passed those two boys, they're twins. So here am I, scrolling through my city on a Thursday. La 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 la. Look. This one, Sushi Planet. I love going there. So this is where it's gonna be for lunch. Done. So this is the menu at Sushi Planet. Their sushi is so good. Boom. The movie. No, this is the entrance. Starbucks, my friend, is right here. Get tickets first. Okay, and then I'm gonna get popcorn over there. You guys, movies. Oh, they have cheesecake. Look, cheesecake. Starbucks stop. Nějaké to?
Cappuccino caramel.
Ok. Bonjour. Alors, je voudrais un cappuccino caramel 20, c'est là?
Ouais, ça.
Ok.
Un cappuccino ou le cappuccino? Cappuccino c'est chaud, frappuccino c'est froid.
Non, en chaud.
En chaud, cappuccino caramel du coup. Le prénom?
Ludovic.
Ludovic. Alex ici.
Alors, je voudrais un caramel macchiato,
Caramel gâteau, ça marche.
mais je voudrais aussi dedans un goût de...
En taille grande, tout ça?
Oui, un goût de... C'est quoi le... Oula,
En anglais si vous voulez.
le whipped cream.
Whipped cream en ça?
Oui. Et
Crème fouettée du coup.
Oui, fouettée.
Ouais.
Et un goût de... extra goût de caramel.
Extra caramel.
Ouais.
La page ou le sirop?
Sirop.
Sirop, ça marche. Hop, et votre prénom?
Mel. M-U-L. Un carrot cake, s'il vous plaît.
D'accord. Sur place ou emporté?
Emporté. Merci, coffee. Coffee in hands. Time for popcorn and on. You want popcorn or no? I want popcorn. So that's why I ask you because I'm gonna take.
Let's take this.
This is salty, no? Yeah, that's why I ask if you want.
This is popcorn classic is €7. Or it's 170 if you add the drink. One drink only.
Yeah.
It's only if you want it.
I know I don't feel for. Well, I can take a Gatorade. For what you need.
You choose?
I'll try. And get zero. Hold this, hold this. Okay. Hey, babe. We're in the movies. We're about to see Avatar. It starts in... Oh, we have 15 minutes. Early. Hey, and just like that, I'm back home. I left my home at 8 o'clock this morning, and I'm just getting back at 6:30. Can you imagine? 6:30 p.m. I had a long day, shawty, but a long, well-needed day with my husband. I'm happy that we got to spend some time together. I picked up my kids from school, and now it's a good thing I have leftovers in the fridge from yesterday because it's time for dinner. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. You see them? Guys, say hello to Faves. Sarah, say hello. Sarah and Tyler. Ty, say hello. Sarah, say hello. Look at them. So what should do, driving on your face? This is the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Drive.
Take time and tie. Okay, Sarah turn. Sarah, your turn.
Sarah turn.
Be careful, Sarah. Oh my gosh, you're too high. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have a heart failure. Oh my gosh, they're gonna kill me.
Sarah, drive. What is Sarah, get off
So we have a gift.
A gift?
Yes. Yes.
I thought it was a package.
It's still a gift. From something that I've been waiting on. It's also for me because I'm going to also read it.
Read it?
Oh, he said 2.
It's for me.
1 for you. Sarah, I hear you back home. What do you say?
Thank you.
Say excuse me, and then you say thank you. Now you say thank you. It's huge. It's bigger than I expected. This one for you. Come,
That's me.
so I can see. What is this? Do you know what is this?
Is he
Who write this book?
Uncle Kenneth?
Exactly. Uncle Conrad write this book. You know that?
I didn't know Uncle Kenneth could draw like
No,
that.
it's not him that draw it.
Oh.
So my brother book is finally here.
Oh, he's the editor of it.
He's the writer of it. He write this book.
I thought he edited.
He edits it too. So he's the writer and editor, yes. What the book says?
Your wonderful face, a great start to being confident and inclusive by Conrad Wallace.
What do you think this book means when it says your wonderful face, a great start to being confident and inclusive? What do you think that means?
To learn that our face is not like I have a word in my mouth, but I don't want
Read
to
it
say
again and tell me what you think.
to
You're wonderful.
confident about our face.
Exactly, to be confident about who you are as a person.
What confident mean?
Be proud of the color of your skin. Be proud of the shape of your face, of your...
So why don't name your wonderful body?
It could name your wonderful body, but inside we tell you exactly what it means by your wonderful face to being confident. It means you to appreciate and love yourself for who you are. Even if your ears shape like this, you still love it. The color of your skin, you still love it. The color of your hair, you love it. Because we're all different people.
Even if it's a like notre big ears.
It doesn't matter how you look. You should appreciate
Even
and love
if you
yourself.
have round eyes.
Even if you have round eyes and mama have square eyes, you still appreciate who you are for you.
It's not square eyes, it's
I said
oval.
if.
Oh.
So if I had square eyes and you have oval eyes, I would still love myself and you would still?
Love yourself.
Yes, so you're gonna read this book tonight. Here you go. Sarah, whose book is this?
It's teacher that goes to school.
It's teacher that goes to school. Exactly.
It is mistress.
It's Metress. You know what Metress is teaching you to do?
Yeah.
Metress is teaching you to be confident. Metress is teaching you to be
Confident.
confident. You're gonna read it later?
Yeah.
And call Uncle Conrad?
Yeah.
Alright, let's call Uncle Conrad and show him that we get our books, okay?
Okay.
Anyway, you guys, this is my brother book. It's finally here. So of course I'll go ahead and leave the link down below of everywhere that you can get this book for your child and for your family and friends. Go ahead and purchase right now.
Pyramide. À ses pieds, des tentes de couleur avaient été dressées pour accueillir le pharaon d'Égypte en visite. Prépare-toi, tout en canine arrive.